In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task priorities in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and head to the workspace where your task is located. This is important because priorities are assigned directly within the tasks you're managing, so you'll want to make sure you're in the correct area before making any changes. Once you're in the right workspace, navigate to the task you want to prioritize and click on it to open the task window. Inside the task, look for the priority field. You'll usually recognize it by the small flag icon. Click that flag to open the priority options. ClickUp gives you 4 priority levels to choose from: urgent, high, normal, and low. These labels help you quickly communicate how important a task is and how soon it should be handled. Simply select the priority level that best matches the task. For example, urgent is great for time-sensitive work, while low can be useful for items that don't need immediate attention. You can also set a task's priority directly from list view, which can be faster when you're working through several tasks at once. Open your list view, find the task you want to prioritize, and click the flag icon next to it. From there, choose urgent, high, normal, or low. This saves time because you don't need to open each task individually. If you prefer working visually, you can do the same thing in board view. Open your board view, locate the task you want to update, click the flag icon on the task card, and then select the appropriate priority level. This is especially helpful if you manage tasks in a more drag and drop style layout. ClickUp also makes it easy to focus on tasks by priority. In list view, click filter, then select priority, and choose the priority level you want to display. ClickUp will then show only the tasks that match that selection, making it easier to concentrate on the work that matters most at that moment. If you want to organize tasks instead of just filtering them, open the sorting options in list view and select priority. Your tasks will then be arranged according to their priority level, helping you quickly scan what needs attention first. You can also group tasks by priority in either list or board view. Just click Group By and select Priority. Your tasks will then be grouped based on whether they're urgent, high, normal, or low, which gives you a clear overview of your workload. Thanks for watching.